Hi, welcome to Taskip. In this video, you will learn how to manage your WhatsApp conversation inside Taskip with one simple dashboard. From handling chats, collaborating with your team, to converting lead using AI. Everything is designed to make your workflow faster and more organized. So let's get started. Once your WhatsApp account is connected, you will land into this kind of unified WhatsApp inbox where your all conversation is organized. Click on any conversations. You can send and receive WhatsApp messages directly. With Taskip, you can manage your WhatsApp group directly within your dashboard. Simply click on any WhatsApp group. It opens just like a regular conversations. Let's collaborate with your team. You can assign any of your team. Click here, select a team member, click on add. Now your team member can collaborate into this chat through the Taskip workspace. You can add tag to organize and categorize chat efficiently. An internal note help you add any additional context for your team member. All of these are visible only within your WhatsApp inbox. These are not visible into the client end. When a conversation becomes opportunity, you can convert it into lead, you can convert it into contact directly from your WhatsApp inbox. This ensures you never lose any valuable prospect. Taskip include built-in AI support to make your workflow faster. You can generate summary of a conversations. It will summarize it by key points, decision mode, actionable item. And you can also use AI to generate and write replay faster in better way. You can also send image, document, video, also can send audio messages your client directly from your workspace Taskip inbox. Everything works seamlessly just like WhatsApp, but inside your own workspace without exposing your personal WhatsApp account to your team members. This is how you can manage your entire WhatsApp inside Taskip. From conversations to collaborations, everything is in one place. Start using Taskip today. Simplify the way you communicate. See you in the next video. Bye bye.